1965 Ford Mustang Convertible. Preis $18,75. Location New York. The 1965 Ford Mustang Convertible is the car that changed America forever. The moment this legendary pony car appeared on the streets, it instantly became a symbol of freedom, youth, and raw American style, finished in its factory vintage burgundy metallic paint with a white interior. This Mustang still looks like something straight out of a classic Hollywood movie scene. Even parked, it carries a presence that modern cars simply cannot replicate. The design of this first generation Mustang remains one of the most beautiful automotive creations ever. Produced by Ford, the long hood, aggressive front grille, shining chrome trim, and smooth convertible body lines created a completely new style for the automotive world in the 1960s. Every angle of this car delivers timeless elegance, while the thin white-wall tires and classic 14-inch steel wheels complete the authentic vintage appearance that collectors dream about today. The power comes from an inline six-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission and a single-barrel carburetor, a combination known for durability and simplicity. Back in 1965, this setup made the Mustang affordable and accessible 2000s of drivers across America, although this example has recently come out of long-term storage and currently does not run. Its potential is absolutely massive. For many enthusiasts, finding an untouched classic like this is far more exciting than buying an already restored car, because it allows the next owner to create their own vision. The interior tells the story of a true survivor from the golden era of American automobiles. White bucket seats, rear bench seating, vent windows, chrome details, and the iconic three-spoke steering wheel instantly transport you back to the mid-1960s. Yes, there is visible wear throughout the cabin after decades of age and storage, but that only adds to the authenticity and character of this legendary convertible. Every scratch and crack feels like a piece of history waiting to be revived. The incredible part about this Mustang is its importance in automotive history. Ford developed the Mustang using components from the Falcon platform, allowing the company to create a stylish sports car at an affordable price. Nobody expected it to become one of the most successful cars ever built. Within months of its release, Mustang fever exploded across the United States, and the car quickly became a cultural icon recognized around the entire world. The value of first-generation Mustangs continues to rise year after year as collectors search for original examples with authentic factory colors and classic specifications. This vintage burgundy convertible represents an amazing opportunity for someone looking to own a true American legend without spending a fortune. AT only $18,75. This Mustang could become an unforgettable restoration project, a future show car.